A very good morning, friends. In your last lecture, we already learned about the functional classification of cities. And now, today's lecture, we are going to do the study of urban demographic characteristics of urban population. So now, let us see the first learning point, growth of urban population.
If you see, in the world today, 55% of the world population live in urban area, a proportion that is extended to increase to 68% by 2050. Projections show that urbanization, the gradual shift in residence of the human population, could add another 2.5 billion people to urban area by 2050, with close to 90% of the increase takes place in Asia and Africa, according to a United Nations dataset. The 2080 previsions of the World Urbanization Prospect produced by the Population Division of the United Nations Department of Economics and Social Affairs notes that future increase in the size of the world's urban population are expected to be highly concentrated in just a few countries together. India, China and Nigeria will account for 33% of the projected growth of the world urban population between 2018 and 2050. By it is projected that India will have added 416 million urban dwellers, China 255 million and Nigeria 189 million. The urban population of the world has grown rapidly from 751 million in 1950 to 4.2 billion in 2018. Asia, despite its relatively lower of urbanization, is home to 54% of the world urban population, followed by Europe and Africa with 30% each. Today, the most urbanized region includes North America with 82% of the population living in urban area in 2018. Latin America and Caribbean 81%, Europe 74% and Oceania 68%. The level of urbanization in Asia is now approximating 50%. In contrast, Africa remains most rural with 43% of its population living in urban area. Let us see population declining in some cities and in rural areas. Some cities have experienced population declining in recent years. Most of these are located in the low fertility countries of Asia and Europe, where overall population size are stagnant or declining. Economic concentration and natural disaster have also contributed to population losses in some cities. A few cities in Japan and Republic of Korea, for example Nagasaki and Busan, have experienced population decline between 2000 and 2018. Several cities in countries of Eastern Europe such as Poland, Romania, the Russian Federation and Ukraine have lost population since 2000 as well. In addition to low fertility, immigration has projected to see their population declining from today until 2030, compared to what has occurred during the last 2 decades. The rural population of the world has growing slowly since 1915 and is expected to reach its peak in the few years. The global rural population is now close to 3.4 billion and is expected to rise slightly and then decline to 3.1 billion by 2050. Africa and Asia are home to nearly 90% of the world rural population in 2018. India has the largest rural population, that is 893 million, followed by China 578 million. Let's see cities ranking and mega cities. So, Tokyo is the world's largest city with an agglomeration of 37 million inhabitants, followed by New Delhi with 29 million, Shanghai with 26 million, and Mexico City and Sao Paulo, each with around 22 million inhabitants by 2020. Tokyo population is projected to begin decline while Delhi is projected to continue growing and to become the most populated city in the world around 2028. By 2030, the world is projected to have 43 megacities with more than 10 million inhabitants, most of them in the developing region. However, some of the fastest growing urban agglomerations are cities with fewer than 1 million inhabitants. Many of them located in Asia and Africa, while 1 in 8 people live in 33 megacities worldwide. Close to half of the world urban dwellers reside in much smaller settlements with fewer than 5 lakh inhabitants. So, you already aware about the urbanization. Urbanization is the process by which more and more people leave the countryside to live in cities. Let us see the causes of urbanization. So, various reasons have led to growth of cities. So, first one is industrialization. Industrialization is a major cause of urbanization. It has extended the employment opportunities. Rural people have migrated to city on account of better employment. Next one is social factor. Many social factors such as attraction of cities, better standard of living, better educational facilities, need for status also include people to migrate to cities. Next one is employment. In rural sector, people have to mainly depend on agriculture for their livelihood. But Indian agriculture is depending on monsoon. In drought situation or natural calamities, rural people have to migrate to city. Next one, modernization. Urban areas are characterized by sophisticated technology, better infrastructure, communication, medical facilities, etc. So, people feel that they can lead to comfortable life in cities and migrate towards the city. Next one, rural urban transformation. It is interesting aspect that not only cities are growing in number, but rural community is adopting urban culture. No longer rural communities are retaining their unique rural culture. Rural people are following the material culture of urban people. Urban-rural transformation can be observed in some area like spread of education. The literacy rate has increased the rural people. They have become more modernized. They change in their dress habit, adaptation of modern technology, active involvement in political growth. Thus, it can be noted that there are significant change in the lifestyle of village people. Indian villages have adopted urban culture and urban lifestyle. However, all villages in India are not transformed. Only certain villages situated close to the city have been transformed. So thank you. See you with next lecture.